making a twisted donut or a shakoly. Okay, flour. More flour?
No.
More flour.
Ate.
Ate, what are you doing, Ate Feby?
Wait. Where's my turn? Hey, I want to do one. Don't put it in my hand. I want to put one.
And then...
Can I put this?
Yeah, it's fine. You do like that. Okay. Open it, Feby. Get it the oil. We'll pay first.
I want to do this one.
No, don't touch anything, huh? We're still
Okay.
doing something. Wait for her. Yeah, it's open. She's opening because we're buying the oil. We don't have much. We don't have oil left. How much? How much? Okay.
I myself.
Okay, more. Okay, you're ready. Good. And
That's my one.
then you need to
You
put the
already did
instant
yours.
yeast. The one that you spill. Okay, we need to put more.
This one has a little dough.
Don't worry. That was already 3 cups. Then where's the salt? We'll put the salt.
The salt.
Oh, we need to put the instant yeast. Okay.
Rex will do one instant yeast.
Okay, that's you, Ate Feby, and that's yours, Rex. You put it there.
No.
Mix.
No, here in the
And
middle.
then mix together. Done?
You put out. Finished. Put iron.
Then,
Oh, I'm
okay, mix. We need to put some
Oh, we
sugar.
should share. Yeah, we should share.
We need to put
Are we
the
doing dry
sugar.
ingredients first?
Yes, we'll put the sugar.
And then next time when we come here, we're gonna do
And we're gonna rest that one. We're gonna wash again
and
maybe.
this is a twisted.
Okay, we need to put 1 cup of sugar. Okay, you put now. You put now the sugar.
Rex, both of us.
Okay, sugar. You put
I want to do this. We
sugar.
put 1 cup of sugar.
And then, what's
Can I
next?
do? When we come back,
Is it mixed already? Is it mixed already? You mix it nicer now.
when we come back here, we're gonna do mini donuts next.
Okay.
First, the normal donuts, twisted donuts, then
Then
mini
we're making
donuts.
twisted donut this time.
Twisted donut. So we
Okay.
have to do roll, twist, twist, twist.
Yes. And what's next? We need to put the 1 can of
Rex,
coconut milk.
come on.
Is it done?
No, Rex is not letting me.
Okay, go. Then did you put salt? I'll put salt, huh? Mix. Okay, I put
Why are you putting salt?
So that it
Make
will
it a
get
little
complement.
bitter.
No, it's gonna complement the flavor. Okay.
Next time I want to put the frosting. Oh,
Okay,
no.
you need to
I
put
got
the
in the shot.
You fell down, Rex. It's fine, Rex. That's the chef. After you're done making, then you can clean it up. Don't worry. Then, Ate Feby, are you done?
Finish.
Okay, you need to put the coconut
No,
milk
Mary.
now. And the egg.
That's it. Let's put the coconut milk and the egg.
And the oil.
Remember when I cracked the egg?
It was easy.
No, it was so weird. It gold in my glasses.
Okay.
It's all
Okay,
of
Ate
the-
Feby, you mix the coconut
And not the other.
milk. Now,
remember
milk first. Coconut
you-
milk.
you
1
remember you
can.
cut the
Say.
egg and 1 can of coconut milk or normal milk.
Coconut milk. It's made of coconut. A liquid in a can. Be careful. Then,
I want to
okay, you
also
put the
flour, sugar,
and you put the
instant
vanilla.
yeast, and vanilla.
Add sugar. Add egg.
And now egg.
Okay.
2 eggs. 1, 2.
Then we're putting the oil.
Can I mix now?
Okay, mix.
I'm gonna crack the egg. I wanna crack the egg because I like eggs. It's not yet cracked.
Slowly.
Wait, my turn. I wanna mix now. Oh, what's this? This egg. I'm gonna mix it so there's...
So you need to help one another. Okay.
Careful.
Mix.
Next turn. Like this way.
I saw the egg. There's egg.
Okay, mix it faster.
My turn next.
Get another for mixing this.
Give it to Ate.
My turn.
You mix it up.
Mix it up.
Okay, hold in here, then mix it up.
I hold it.
Okay.
And you mix.
Rex, hold it.
It's dough.
Okay.
It's good to help one another.
It's not the dough. It's dough. But it's still not dough. It's dough, but it's still... Remember the first time we made donut? Yeah. I went too fast, it was liquid.
And then what happened? So we're gonna make...
You say so.
So...
My turn. Wait.
We're gonna put the oil, Febby. When you put the oil, Febby.
Yay.
Oh no, be careful.
Just careful, Rex.
And... Is it already mixed?
Not yet. Is it my turn? Yeah.
Done?
Not yet.
Is it
Can you hold the
done?
bowl? Can you hold the bowl? No, Papa. I want to make.
Okay.
And we need to rest that one because there is a yeast.
Instant.
Kaya nagdala ito sa Krispy Kreme, Ran?
Huh?
Krispy Kreme.
Can I hold it? Can I mix now? Before we did not put oil.
Rex, hold.
Already oil. That's the butter. Then it's really, we need to add more.
Flour?
Yeah, flour.
I want to put the flour. Can I?
Because we
I
already put 4. We need to put more 4, but we need to do it 1 cup each so that it will not let it dry. Okay?
I like the noise. I like
the sound. Okay.
No, wait. You
Baby,
put the bowl.
we need to put additional
yeast.
no, it's an all-purpose flour. See? All-purpose flour.
Where?
It will gonna dry. That one is already sticky because...
You're putting it all over.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Is it okay now?
No.
Is it okay now, Febby?
Okay, hi.
Hi.
No, we're making...
We put more flour if it's still liquid.
So we can put more?
So we could put more flour.
Rex will put more. Rex, put more,
And then
Rex.
I'll do the other second.
Okay, put more, Rex. Rex, put more.
Thing.
Okay, put more. So we can make more dough, twisted donut. Maybe we can make around 24. Okay, mix.
We can make
24.
100.
It is really little, but this one.
Can I? No, we can make 78. No, we can make. I want to touch it. We can make 27.
No, you're not allowed to sit there because we're we need the dough. Maybe are you done?
There you go.
Maybe stop.
My hands are so floury.
Gio. Okay, massage.
Massage it. It's up. Stop that. A little flower. Touching my bracelet.
Remove your bracelet.
I can't. My hands are
Na,
dirty.
daddy. Ran, kunin mo itong bracelet niya.
My bracelet.
Your Rex,
No. I'm calling you the flower.
It's fine. Mix with the flour.
Mix with the flour, Rex.
Rex.
It's okay.
It's okay, Rex.
Oh.
If you massage, then it will combine. It will not stick to your hand. Do massage knees.
Massage.
Yeah.
I want my own half to massage.
Okay, make it half. Make it half. Oh, Rex, make it half.
I want to put more flour. It's so sticky.
It's so sticky now.
Yeah, it's so sticky. We made it more sticky with the flour. This is the stickiest flour ever.
Yeah, you put flour again. More
No,
flour.
more flour so it will be sticky.
You will already make 4 already. 8 cups of flour.
I put more
Massage,
flour.
baby. Do like this. Knead. Roll. Rex, what are you doing?
It's in my hands.
Yeah, that is why you should knead. Roll, roll, roll. Baby, you should have a lot of flour. Give me that, and roll this one. So the flour should stick everything. Rex, what are you doing?
I'm rolling it.
Hey, give me that yours. Give me that. Or roll this one.
Rex, you have my dough. Yeah.
Put some dry flour, Rex, so that it will stick. It will not stick to your hand.
No way. I'm gonna get
Yeah.
all the flour to myself.
Here, yours.
Mine. No, this is Rex's one. Rex, can we exchange to mine now? No. It's mine. Mine is not sticky anymore.
It's not sticking anymore.
Really?
Yeah, we need to rest this one for 1 hour, but let it make it soft. Then all the dry
Mine
should.
is not soft.
So there's still flour. This is a good exercise.
Exercise.
And at that early age, you know how to knead the
Right.
bread. You can. Next
Oh, I
time
did
we'll
that.
make
I
a
will-
bread.
In the future, I don't want to do this.
Why? This is a very
Because
good one.
I thought
Your
in
daddy and mommy will be happy that
I
you.
thought in the future, it's the opposite like we're doing.
No, you can be a professional chef.
Relax.
You can be a
Relax,
professional.
Relax.
You can make like a Krispy Kreme or a Dunkin' Donut.
Look at me. I'm gonna roll it. Wait, I'm gonna put the donut all together. Even it's a donut.
Oh, Rex, are you done?
No.
You add more, Rex?
Talaga lang.
No. Hey. That's not
Febby, let it roll. Febby, roll. Knead and roll like that.
Salamat. Naulit.
Are you done?
My dough, it's keep removing. Hey, you're taking my dough.
Yeah, because you're so slow. Give it up now. Making some round dough.
Round dough. I'm making a lot.
Coconut milk ang ginamit namin nito lang. Coconut
We
milk
made
para
it
malasa.
too soft.
Give me that. You share with Rex.
Rex, can
Make
you
it hot.
have yours?
Okay, make it half. Then we will combine it with my.
Yeah.
Now it will make
Thank you.
more soft. OC dito si Rex. Rex, did you clean your hands already?
No.
No more flour? No more sticking flour in your hand?
No more sticking flour.
You need to rest this one for 1 hour. You can watch the movie again, then we'll make it. Then you can give it to
But
Auntie
it's
Eugene.
fun.
You can, when you go home, you can give it to Auntie Eugene and Achilles. And then have donut, twisted donut.
I want to twist it. Whip.
See, mine is.
Look at mine.
Where's why there's still flour there, Rex?
Whip. And I will twist it right now. Just kidding. Twist this cake.
And then
And we're
the flour?
making the dough and
we'll make half.
a half
Have to Rex. Remove. Yeah.
Why?
Until it combine. Then we'll make it a big round and we'll let it rest.
Then we can watch a movie, then again.
And then wait for 1 hour. Then we will roll again and we will make it a twisted. We'll make it form as a twisted donut and we'll fry. Okay?
Okay.
Now there's no more flour in that side in your area, Rex.
One more flour. I'm getting some.
No, don't put that one. It will let it dry. We cannot roll.
Roll, 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 roll. Clean my hand.
So clean your hand.
Clean your hand.
It's not sticking anymore.
Now collect all that.
Why there's still flour in that area?
I'm gonna take this. No. Ouch. I think I hit too big.
We will give it that.
It's like
Make it half.
It's like putu.
Half.
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 Half. You have the biggest.
Yeah, mine is the biggest.
Same story.
Half.
Same story.
Now mine is gonna be so foul.
Ayoko.
Yeah, until it will combine everything. We can make 24. It should be 24, 25, or 30.
I think 30.
You need to wash your hands.
No. I want to wash my hands.
Okay, you're done. You're done.
Hey!
Give it that. Everything is done. Yeah, we combined already. Yeah, wash your hands, then watch TV, then we will rest. I will wait. I will call you after 1 hour.
Ang kato ni mami sa ka-box ba? Ibilin sa tanak ko. Reklamo ako.
Mommy, you
Bagger.
missed it.
Nag-record mo? Yes. You miss our massage.
Pwede na ito ibutang sa gawas. Ayun.
Wait, I did the big one.
I will with the big one. Oh, there's still flowers. Massage.
Massage it, Rex. Massage! How about half of this for you and half for me?
Patay na.
No, make it a hole. No, don't make half.
Bye.
Make
We
it
already-
full.
Bye.
It's done? Is it done? Now you wash your hands now. Then we'll call you after 1 hour. Now it's still already 5. We'll call you at 6. Okay. Go, move now. Easy now. Okay.
Singot.
Okay. Done. Wash your hands. Then we'll let us rest this one. It will grow.
Okay.
Then I will wait for 1 hour. I'll do the timer. Wash your hands. Do you want to wash your hands in here? Get the chair. This one, this
I'll
area.
do this one.
Okay, Rex.
Gamay
Ay,
na
ito mo na video ran ha. Isan mo sa akin ng para. Nag-live ko. No, don't do it over there. Gamay sa gani kang Rex. Yung gihatag na doon.
Going too big.
Lumayuhan mo pa rin ako. Dili ko.
Oh no!
Gigi, oy, wag siya ka effort. Maglago na detalye niya.
Tuloy ko na. Di ko kay balo.
Ay, di ba ka na round niya? Ano mo ba? I-stretch siya. Gini.
Tanawa o. Ka-stretch na ni. Sino, first time na ako maghimog ko ano, donut, di ko na tabangan.
Dili, i-stretch siya na. Gini, ano siya ng elastic.
I want to see yours.
Awa ka na. Gini. Baby, what are you doing? Your balls is
Nagtuko siya diya nga, nasty talent ani.
Awa, good ni. Tabang, sige.
Mine is so tall. Chris is so small.
Isa na nang gulo ko ni mo niya, nga nang diniman.
I'm gonna be climbing.
Ay. Ay, balik ni mo. Busy kang live sound. Mas, unsa raman na ang form, gi. Mantika na lang kagi.
Ana.
Oh. Anong dago makayang usa niya? Ang gabay, di naman siya event. Iwasan siya ng tarong, gi. Ang banya na nag-video na dako kaya tag-ngaw ni. Unsa? See? Rex, stretch. Okay, Ate Faye, what are you doing? Okay. Don't touch.
I'm doing my second.
Ha? Awa daw. Tulog na sila. Nagkuhan mi daw. Naghimo mig syakoy mo diha. Tagkuan niya mo syakoy tag 5.
Tirater,
Ay tag 10.
Tirater donut.
Oh, ano yun?
Mom, I want this one to be the same height.
Rex, you make it half and do twist like that. Okay, twist and twist and twist and twist and twist and twist.
This?
No, baby, that's not the one.
Liwat ka na ko.
Baby, when you twist this one, this is yours. Okay, when you twist that one, you make it in the middle. See? Okay, make it a half, and then you make a half like that and half, and then twist, 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 twist. And then, yeah, in the end, you just press that one so that it will be. Okay. Okay na. Okay na na imo hagi eh. Nambo ang gigi eh murag. Ma, dili man ni even ay himo na mo 2 or 6. Nya ras 8.
Usap ako ng himo.
Ambot ay makahimo pa kami 14. Rex, what are you doing? Stretch more. Baby. Okay, twist.
Oh no!
Like that.
Mom, it's ready
Okay,
to be.
twist. Yeah, that's good. Now Feby knows. Then how about Rex? Nag-tutor pa mi. Nag-tutor pa mi sa among. Mo-stretch man siya, mo. Mura siya plastiko ba na apan ba?
Oh no!
Nakuha na ni Gail.
That's good. That's good. Correct.
Correct.
Rex,
Gail,
your
correct Gail.
turn
Correct.
is-
Oh, see? Doon nakuha na ni Gail.
Very good. Galing na gila.
Very good, Feby. Rex, your turn. You do like that. And, okay, do this one.
Tulog
This one
na
is
sila.
yours. Okay, that one. This one, it should be twist, and twist, and twist, and twist this one. Hold this one, move. Very good, Rex. Very good. Rex make. Okay, this is Rex make.
And this is mine.
Oh, very good. Rex is more longer. Okay, very good, Rex. Stretch more. Auntie Gigi, Mommy Gigi is very good also. Even though not good, very good. Twist, yeah. Tulong run.
Yeah, mga.
Who's the winner?
One big happy family oh, Padayuman Bakery. Padayuman Shakoy. Ang galing na ni Randy oh. Tingnan mo, kalaki-laki na oh.
May bakery pinsan ko.
Oh, may bakery ang pinsan niya. Oh, ma, awa.
Sige nga, sige nga.
Ah,
Pag nindigan mo yung
awa si Gigi oh.
baker.
Awa lang. Very good, Feby. Oh,
Baby.
baby donut.
Now, I do my big one now.
Wala na eh.
Kanilang imogi oh. Nampak ni Gigi oh. Imo na ron oh. Ay, ihati lang ni Randy.
Pila na itong himo?
Ala, oh. Ihati.
Para hindi dako kayo.
Laki.
Ihap lang ran.
Oh, malaki siya.
Ano pa yung daddy? You'll teach daddy?
Pinakabati.
Oh, very good. Ilisi ka nino kay balikon ka nino kay murang dako lagi kay ni.
Palitan na lang yan.
Ha?
Lalaki.
Ay, pero lalaki man talaga sila ran kung mag ano surprise para isara. Unsa ma? Next Shakoy. So ilan Shakoy?
Padayuman siya ako eh.
Okay, pila na nim ka po atong Shakoy oy. Ako di siya i-deliver. Ay nako. Ti babutang gud mantika ti. Para ato na ni lutuon oy para makakaon na ta. Manok. Nani tubo na ma. 2 4 6 8 10 12 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 pero 16 18 20 lo didaghan ni ron no kay ngano ni gipagamay man gigi. Nindot noon.
Nindot sundog may bari. Tubo man kasi dito.
Sige. 24.
Unsa kay daghan? Dapat sa inato din, pila din mahimo ba na?
Among nakuha sa 8 cups man eh. 24, tino. Dagko sa duntot atong gimo, tino. Baby turon.
Nahimo naman ang stick.
Turon, nahimong turon.
Di naman. Una-unsa na mo napugdot naman mo nang imuan.
Nabantam na nila ang kon. Sali na? Di, magmantika man siya. Sige.
Mantika. Sali ka na.
Balik, ilisa gunit eh. I-form gunit siya balik eh. Masahan na, i-massage na. Na.
Tuwa mo yung ba rin?
Ay, airdrop na ako. Oh, ang galing ni Randy, oh. Yeah, Rex and Feby are very great in doing. Ay, Rex, yours is so small. Tabang, itaw na siya. Uy. Marang tabol. It's like a poop. What happened? Oh, Feby is doing something tricks, oh. He flipped. Oh, look.
Hindi naman na siya ko yung Di naman na siya ko yung
Turun, it's fine. Rex will eat that one. Don't worry, mommy. Ah, look, Feby is great. Oh. Huh? Huh? Nisibog, yeah. It's alive. Yeah, that is why Shako eats alive. Napaka diya, ma? Lingaw ka na mo, ma? Si Gigi, oh. Mayuhang Gigi, oh. Ah.
Isunod na may style. Gulitan sa gilid.
How about Feby? Very good. How about Randy? Ate, ikaw ate. Yeah, welcome to our vlog. It's like a poop. It's like tobol. Dala, mag-ibo, Gio. Welcome to our vlog. Nag-ibo sila pamilya. Hey, Rex, what are you doing?
Go there because...
Yeah. Okay, Gio, tabang. Gara-gara oh. Lasal niya no, nindag siya ko eh. Makita ka dyan, ma?
Not one hand daw, two hands daw.
Kita ka, ma?
Tuluan kasi mong pamangkon.
Not... I have only...
Ay, Ki, anak ko na dahil ko mataas siya, Ki. Naday ko, ano?
Ano, ninyo.
Yung malaki siya.
Like this. See, like this. When you roll like this, you go like this. Outside, like this.
Ala, ako ang yan.
Outside, see?
Wait, wala pala nainit.
Yun ang pa niya.
Wala man iparest? Iparest pa man na to. Kani gitabunan. Open it, then pwede na nanin mo
Hello?
itarong nga gud ate.
See? Roll.
Sige daw, Gio.
Do like this and outside. Outside like this. Do like this and going outside. Yeah, like that. See? It's going.
You need to do like this. Twisted with everybody.
Sudah sa.
Baby daw siya. Baby daw nga kwan.
Baby donut? Baby twisted donut?
Now move it.
Like this.
Oh no, Rex! Why you're so big and the other end is small? Kurang poop. Kita ka, ma?
See the donut.
Lula, pas mama diha?
See the donut. See?
Tawag
Then,
ko
wala na
si
ako donut rin. Perfect. Huh?
Wait.
That's not though.
Wait. Let me see. Let me see.
This is my perfect donut. See? It's not fit. It's not thin. It's not too fat. It's just perfect donut. See?
Perfect?
A perfect
Oh,
donut.
there's a
Yana ko rin. Gagan na video ko rin.
I like fat.
Look at what is this? It's like a poop.
Fat one. Fat and short.
Can I remake this one? Can I do again?
No, I want the fat ones.
You want the fat one like this?
Okay,
Fall down like that. You fall down.
I need to.
Look, Feby, what are you doing? It's like a stingray. Are you making a stingray donut? Oh, si Gigi ka consumption.
Alma! Bitok! Hindi na perfect na donut mo muna. Talaga, yung pakita ka na no?
Ha? Ana, ano ka?
Ano na siya, Ana? Like, what favorite doing?
Wala man bukog.
This.
Ayaw, masuko siya. Letter R, Randy, Rex. Rex, why did you sit, why did you...
Friend.
Ha?
Paano ba? 10 seconds.
Okay, gara-gara. Happy lang si Gigi, dili.
Tuloy ko name ni mong manghod niya. Sige ate, pero ay ko tuloy ti ha.
Tire.
Mo di ay tiray. Ay ko naughty.
Why did you put T, baby? T-Rex. Your brother is already a dino. No, okay na, pahinayin lang, para di ka masunog.
Bago na ko kuha na.
Ano mo yung bitok?
Wala na, usi na si Junjun do.
Sige mo na eh.
Na, funny kayo. Awa, guni ka rin mga donut, mura na nga hiwi, wa. Oh.
Can we do a pea donut?
Rex. Hey, Rex, why do you sit there? Oy,
Rex.
There.
don't sit, stand up. Rex, stand up. Natin, napaig na natin. No, okay na na. Alam, napaig na. Okay na na. Ato na ikot sugar. Ido-do na to sugar. Yeah, we already had Shakoy. There, the twisted donut. It's still hot. It's still hot. Yeah. Wow. I don't know. I think mommy or me.
I think it's mine.
Yeah, you make that one. We'll try. We'll taste it. Taste it.
That's my pea.
Wow.
Look at that. It's my pea.
Look, these are the perfect
Yummy.
donuts.
Okay, mate.
Mayo. Ah, nireklamo pa.
Anything here.
It's still hot?
My pea.
Ah,
Okay.
coming pa more. Si Ami? Oh, we'll give Auntie Eugene and Achilles.
Ito na, rasa. Pwede na ito bukawan sa mama.
Magluto pa kita.
I have tricks.
You want to eat? Still blow. Eat it. Blow.
Not yet.
Mga ito, tagbiba ron rin. Magka rin.
Yeah.
Lagi rin.
Here.
Sigo, kalimot. Good.
Nice one.
It's good?
Let your X finish. Next E.
Magdiba sad mo?
Ano? Ah, that.
Sige niya.
Dodo.
Well, my ex.
Maghatag sa
Well, my ex.
No, it's not yet cooked. It's still hot, ha? Ti, ikaw na dito. Ako yung butang nabi.
Minta niya yung X.
Kaso mga bibiyota rin.
Oh, si Randy, oh. Ready na sa... donut, oh. Tiritit? Tirisi? Tiriter. Sa kanila ka tiriter. Sa Cebu kay Shakoy. Sa English kay Twisted Donut. Kanilang gamay, Gio.
Ito na, ano mo, i-roll. Manin mo na.
Nice, Shak.
Tanong ko na yung gibuhat rin.
Oh. Iya, usban na kang Rex. No, yours is still there, oh.
perfect ayo.
Oh, tiriter, ha? Oh, give it Lola, Shakoy. Gigi, oh. Kana nang gagmay, Gi. Na, dastiya pining, oh. Yay!
Si mama. Tigay group.
Di, coconut bar. Oh, nikaon man siya. Shakoy. Shakoy mo diya, way kamay. Ah. Ayaw na, tonsillitis yun. Tubig ko na ice.
Ayos na, yun ang magbugnaw dyan. Bugnaw ba?
Puta nag-ice. Oh, kaulis tiya. Di ka si Junjun or si Randy? What?
I want to eat.
What do you need?
I want to eat.
Oh, you go to Lola. Lola has a lot of shakoy. There's the donut there.
I want to eat.
Butterfly.
What? The letter E was gone? It was, I gave it to you. It's on your, you already eaten. It was mixed it up. Okay, na extra chef na siya. Chef Randy. Tama na yan, Ran. Dapat ano para maluto, no? Yes. Unsa nga plato? Kanilang, oh, kanilang. Kayong gaan. Na, very good. Awag na si Gio, oh. Wow, very good, Chef Gio. Shakoy guy. Okay na yan, Ran?
Alpus la, alpus.
Ulit na daw siya sa alpus.
Yes, but daw.
Nakapadayupan bakery, oh, mga shakoy. Terete? Isa to, teretes? Og shakoy. Si Gigi, shakoy. Si Randy kay teretes.
Lubid man.
Lubid-lubid? Shakoy man mo ate. Uy, shakoy may kami.
Shakoy yung tawag.
Shakoy sa
Paano
lupit.
kasi Bisaya sa Mindanao, no? Magkaiba yung Bisaya, no?
Oh.
Ito na lang, oh.
Butang na dito. Kaya maugam man siya dayo. Ma-observe mo niya ang margarine. Butang na sa sugar.
Ay, butang.
Ate Perm! Di na ang good. As in, lingaw nyo kayo ba? Stick na na siya. Di rin ako eh. Breadsticks.
Kasa, amulag ko ng custard. Kasa.
The butterfly. And the...
Okay, lagay ko. Oh,
Wala mag-croissant?
croissant na siya.
Like that. The butterfly.
Your butterfly. Your butterfly.
The butterfly.
I'm gonna say
Okay.
Wow.
the poop.
That poop is here.
Di pa naluto pa ba?
Dili na.
Dili, dito na.
Can I see?
Gani, alsa naman siya. Luto na lagi. Alsa kayo. Here's my P twist donut.
I know
The letter P. B. P. As in February.
full age.
Like what you gonna do?
Oh,
You can't reach. Help you. On. Then select. What is that? Ah, press.
Sweet.
There's no more juice.
it's so loud.
Yeah, it's your fresh orange.
Wait.
No. It's not yet full. Press.
Oh,
Okay.
it's enough.
Done. Go siya. Very good, Febby.